Okay, everyone. I was just scrolling through my back office and thought I'd make this video too to kind of coincide with the bonus. And what's going on right here is my visit stats and things like that from when I started using this method, basically, And I'm gonna show you that in the bonus, but you can see what can happen. Right, 7,000 at this time, January to November, and the day is November 17th, 2021. And the visits are 7,724, 25 orders at a 0.3% conversion rate, and the revenue was still $996.98. I mean, and this was doing nothing. I mean, this could be made monthly, just about every 2 weeks, on an easy note, doing it this way. And as you can see, the traffic, went straight up to 5,263 visits when I first tried it like that. And the stats were off the chain. The stats are still off the chain. How shoppers found you. Etsy bought 91% of visitors, right? Etsy apps and other Etsy apps, look at those scores. That's high. Etsy search, that's high. Etsy marketing and SEO. And I didn't even do that much SEO, and it's still 70%, 78% up high. Direct and other traffic, 397 up high. Social media, they didn't do that much social media as you saw, but we do a little bit more. Look, the ranking goes up. Etsy ads, right here, down because we didn't have to spend no money with Etsy like that. We got more results in all these categories except for the Etsy ads where we've been spending more money. So as you can see, the results right there. Now you could do this probably about in a week. Different results, different folks, different things might happen. It depends on how you grind for it, or really work hard for your money, and work hard for your business. So with that being said, you see the results right there. I just wanted to show you these results from the traffic that you can really get. Shoppers view your listing 10,483 times. I don't want to show all that, but all my profits or products that I'm selling right there. But you bought 9% of visitors, and that's all I bought was 9% of visitors. But in each one of these categories, I went up. So check out the listings. I want you guys to check out the videos. Give this a try. If you're a newbie to this, you can still work. If you got a little bit more experience in selling online e-commerce, I can still show you how to boost your sales. Maybe give you some more tips and tricks on how to do this, and stay tuned because there will be more videos. So I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you on the next video.